This is my RockAuto order. As you can see, everything came, but man, they don't care about how they put it in the box, I'll tell you that. And this could have been just shipping, but man, a lot of this stuff just put in here. Let's see my bulbs. My bulbs not in here. Hopefully they're not busted. Hey, but you get what you pay for. You won't cheat, you get cheap. Don't matter how it comes. Oh, there it is. There's a bulb. That one is neatly packed. New blower motor for the wagon that I'm actually about to get ready to put on. I mean, hopefully everything still works as far as these bulbs is concerned. But man, I mean, listen, if even half of it works, I'm not tripping. I mean, I spent maybe a buck, $1 and some change on these. I mean, like I said, it wasn't in the box. It was just under those brake pads over there. But I mean, it's not broken, so I'm not complaining. Got my AC belt for my Cutlass. This wire, I mean, these wires were pretty much just laid in there. So, not horrible. Got some rotors right there. So overall, on shipping, they need some work. But as far as the products coming in, I mean, it's Fel-Pro. You know, everybody knows what Fel-Pro is. Anybody that work on cars anyway, so, I mean, we'll see once I get that open. But that's my RockAuto order that I inquired about the other day from everybody. So